Hello children, once again I am here to teach you English literature. So children, today is the first part of our revision. We will be doing few objective things which can come in exam and which will help you to learn again better. We have done it in the book, but again we will revise it. So I have take out your CW copy and a pencil in your hand, and slowly you can copy down this. So the first thing is one word. The question which can be asked in a type of one word. A person who cooks at a hotel is chef, CHEF. A person who makes music is a musician, MUSICIAN. A person who cures sick people is a doctor, DOCTOR. A person who teaches is a teacher, TEACHER. A person who grows food is a farmer, FARMER. A person who catches thieves is a policeman, POLICEMAN. A person who sells things in a shop is a shopkeeper, SHOPKEEPER. Come to the next page. A person who repairs shoes is a cobbler, COBBLER. A person who flies in a plane is a pilot, PILOT. A person who bakes bread and biscuits is a baker, BAKER. Now, let's get started with the plural form. I have already explained you, but again I am doing with you so that you can revise it. So, the plural can be of many types. Plurals are what? More than. Singular is what? One thing. Particular, one thing when we are talking about. Plural is one or more than one thing. So, plurals are, first is the S form. For example, sheet, we can add S to the particular word. Then it becomes a plural. Cat is only a single cat when we are talking about. Cats when it is more than one. Two or more than more. Book, books. Girl, girls. Door, doors. Dog, dogs. Pencil, pencils. So what is the common thing which we have done here? These are the common things which we are doing here. That is, we are putting S. We are adding S in the particular word to make it plural. So, come to the next one. The next form is letter ending with O, X, S, double S, CH and SH. So we add to them ES and it becomes to the plural. That is fox, foxes. It ends with X. So we are adding EX. ES, watch, CH. It is ending with CH. We are adding ES. It becomes watches. Double S. So we are adding ES. So glasses. Brush, brushes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. So all the different kinds of things I have added here. More things are there in your book. You can practice from the book also. Now, the third form is word ends with Y. We will cancel Y and add IES. Let's see the examples. Kitty, we will cut Y and put IES. The spelling will be KITTIES. Puppy, puppies. Lady, ladies. Party, parties. City, cities. So, these are the things which we have. What is the common thing here we have done? We have cut Y from every word and we have, instead of Y, we are putting IES. Country, countries. The next form. Form, in some words we change the letter. Now here the letters are being changed. Let's see the example. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Man is a single man. When we are talking about more than two, so it will be MEN. Pronunciation will be same, but the spelling will be different. Woman, woman. Foot, feet. So these are the few things which I have, few example which I have found from the book, and you can practice it from the book. It is given in workbook also and in the literature book also given, so you can practice from there also. So in the first revision part, what we have done, the one word we have done, the singular, all the forms of the singular and plural we have done here. In the next video, we will be doing the next part of the revision. So this was part 1. Children, read this, learn this and write in your CW copy so that it will be good for you while writing and learning also for the exam. Till then, thank you and have a nice day. Hello children of class 2. Again I am here to teach you English literature. So this is part 2 of revision. In part 1, I have taught you all the plural forms and the one word. Due to some technical reasons, the part 1 was not uploaded. So this is the combined video for that. Now, we are starting with part 2. That is the short forms. Do plus not becomes don't. Is plus not becomes isn't. How we write it? ISN apostrophe S T. Does plus not doesn't. Could plus not couldn't. Have plus not haven't. Are plus not aren't. Had plus not hadn't. HADN apostrophe S T. He plus is his. They plus are there. They are. Would plus not wouldn't. So these are few words which I have found from the book that you can learn. From this, it can come in your exams. Now, moving to the next thing is rewrite the sentences using capital letter, full stop and question mark. Wherever required, capital letter you have to write, or full stop or a question mark. Now, the first is, did you go to school? First of all, did you go to school? Here, again I have not put a question mark. Here you have to put question mark and D will be capital. Anna is having lunch. Again, it is a name. A will be capital. Anna is having lunch and we will put a full stop. Then, how did you reach home? How, H capital, did you reach home? Question mark. This is a question we are asking. We went to Joy's house. We, W capital. Joy's house, J will be capital. Again, it's a name. Then, have you seen Maya and Arya? Have, again, H will be capital. You seen Maya and Arya and a question mark. This is a question we are asking for. So, how we put question mark, how we put this first letter capital and the full stop after every sentence is finished off. Let's move to the next part. They are playing games. They are playing games. Again, T will be capital. After games, there will be a full stop. He is my brother. H will be capital and after brother, it will be a full stop. Now, some opposites were there in the workbook. Let's start with that. Lazy, active, little, big or large, far, near, laugh, cry, old, new, light, heavy, sweet, sour. So these are the few opposites which I have found from the book. These are all the exercises which I have covered in the question paper. So that's why I am revising here in the revision part. So let's move on to the next part, that is revision number 3. Class 2 revision number 3. So choose the correct options. Does he have a bicycle? So does. They, does or do not know the way. They do not know the way. He, do or does not understand Hindi. He does not understand Hindi. Do or does you speak Hindi? Do you speak Hindi? So we will be putting a tick. When you will, if this question arises in the exam, and what you have to do is just copy the number, choose the correct answer, write number 1 and only write the correct option. Do not copy the full sentences. Okay, children? When it will come in your half yearly exam. So what you have to do, copy the question, choose the correct options, and then write number 1, 2, 3, whatever it is there, and just write do or does, which is the correct one. That only you have to write the only. Don't write the full sentences and waste the time. Then next one. Fifth, she do or does not like to eat fruits. She does not like to eat fruits. We go or goes to the market every week. We go to the market every week. I will go or goes there next month. I will go there next month. We go or goes to the zoo on holiday. We go to the zoo on holiday. Come to the next page. Do anybody have a pencil? Does anybody have a pencil? I want to go to Egypt. So go here is the correct option. Now there are some movements of animals given. Deer sprints, snake slithers, langur leaps, frog swims, goat jumps, vulture gliding. So these are few things which are given. So I have taken from the book. Now it can come as match the column also. These both, this and this, or it can come in the, like I can give you this first column and you have to write the second one. Here also I can give you like animals and then you have to write for the name of the babies. Or it can come in the match the following form. So goat, kid, deer, fawn, goose, gooseling, sheep, lamb, lion, cub, fish, fry, dog, puppy. So this is the thing which we can do here. So there are, till now I have given you 3 kinds of revision. That is, in this I have given the do and does, go and goes, then movement of animal and their babies. Then here I have given you opposites. Rewrite the sentences using full stop, question mark and all. Then here are the short forms, and in revision 1 all the kinds of plurals and the one word. In the next video I will be revising you with the question and answers. So till then, take care and have a nice day.